Many middle-aged and older adults begin to feel that their legs are heavy, weak, or unstable. But before you panic and start buying supplements, tonics, or calcium pills, please listen carefully, because 90% of people completely misunderstand the cause. For most men and women over the age of 50, heavy and weak legs are not caused by a calcium deficiency, and it's not simply that your bones are bad. I've been helping older adults train their bodies for 16 years, and I've met tens of thousands of people with this same issue. Not long ago, I met an elderly man at a rehab center. He was walking slowly while holding onto the wall. When I asked him if something was wrong, he shook his head, embarrassed. But when I leaned in to listen, he whispered that his legs felt extremely heavy, like dragging two sandbags. With every step, he told me he had been taking all kinds of supplements at home, but honestly, nothing helped. He didn't know what else to do. His biggest mistake was simply going in the wrong direction. If you never find the real root cause, no supplement in the world will fix the issue. You must first find the right switch and turn it back on. After I taught the elderly man the correct method, he came back to thank me a month later. Only then did I realize how widespread this problem is. So many older people struggle silently with heavy, weak legs. Even if you personally haven't felt this problem yet, I suggest you prevent it early. There's a saying, as people age, the legs grow old first. And today, I'd like to invite you to do something meaningful with me. This good deed doesn't cost anything. Just tap your blessed fingers, like this video, save it, and share it with your friends and family. Someone you know may truly need this information. If more people can see it and benefit from it, that is a good deed with real value. Now let's talk about the crucial point most people don't know. After the age of 45, if you don't train your muscles correctly, your muscle tissue begins to disappear rapidly, especially this area of your lower legs, the soleus and gastrocnemius muscles. Once these muscles shrink or weaken, your legs become heavy, soft, and unstable. Walking becomes tiring and you feel like you can't lift your legs properly. Simply put, these muscles no longer have the strength to support your body weight. The good news is, if you reactivate the soleus and gastrocnemius muscles and strengthen them again, your leg stability and energy will improve quickly. There is one very simple but extremely effective movement to activate the lower leg muscle group. I'm not exaggerating. This method used to only be taught in paid offline classes. Today, as long as you leave a supportive message like, "Thank you, this helps," I'll teach it to you completely for free. Since this is a lower leg releasing method, we need one essential tool, a calf relaxation roller. This roller has become a must-have for many older adults. It's affordable, easy to use, and suitable for the whole family. Once you're ready, place the roller around your calf and roll it up and down gently. As you roll, all the daily fatigue, stiffness, soreness, and tightness in the lower leg will gradually melt away. Your calves will feel lighter, more relaxed, and noticeably more comfortable. This simple rolling method brings three big benefits. The 360-degree rollers fit the muscle perfectly and open the lower leg circulation quickly. It releases adhesions between the muscle and fascia, especially helpful for people who struggle with squatting, climbing stairs, or walking steadily. Since the calves are known as the second heart, rolling them also helps support internal organ function. So for middle-aged and older adults, taking care of your legs is actually much simpler than most people think. You don't need expensive supplements, complicated exercises, or long daily walks. All you need is to roll the calves thoroughly, release the tightness, open the circulation, and wake the muscles back up. When the calves regain strength, the heaviness and weakness that trouble you begin to fade. As someone who has taught movement training for 16 years, let me gently remind you, people grow old from their legs first. If the legs stay strong, the whole body stays steady. But once the legs weaken, walking, standing, climbing stairs, even daily tasks all become more difficult. You've worked hard for most of your life, you've carried responsibilities, taken care of family, and pushed through challenges. Now you deserve a pair of legs that feel light, stable, and reliable. Legs that allow you to walk freely and enjoy your days with ease. This simple rolling method isn't just for comfort. It opens the calf muscles, improves circulation, reduces stiffness, and helps every step feel smoother. For many people over 40, this alone brings noticeable improvement in balance and mobility. And if you want to use the same calf roller I recommend, but worry about choosing the wrong one, just check my profile. The exact roller I use is in the product window, and the manufacturer is running a promotion right now. Take care of your legs today, and they will take care of you in the years ahead.